Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted your on-screen text to appear or disappear at just the right moment in your Canva presentations, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you step-by-step how to control the *** duration of text ***, also known as text timing, right inside Canva. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your text pop in, linger just long enough, and fade out, keeping your audience focused and your slides looking professional. Alright, let's jump straight in. First things first, open up Canva. If you haven't used Canva before, no worries, just head to Canva.com and log in with your account. Canva's interface is pretty intuitive, so you'll find your way around quickly. Once you're on the main dashboard, go ahead and click that big shiny Create button. It's usually right at the top of the page. This is the starting point for any new design. Now for this demo, we're working with a presentation. So from the list of options Canva offers, like social media posts, videos, or posters, select Presentation. This will create a blank slide deck where you can start adding all your content. Presentations are especially great if you want to control the timing of different elements like text, images, or even videos. So once your new presentation is open, you're ready for the magic. Next up, look towards the upper corner or the menu. You should see a setting called Duration. Sometimes this might appear as a little stopwatch symbol or a word that says Duration right above your slide preview. Clicking this lets you adjust how long each slide is displayed when presenting or exporting as a video. But here's the thing, a lot of people don't realize you can control timing for individual elements within the slide, and that's where the fun really begins. Now click to select a piece of text on your slide. If you haven't added any text yet, just use the text tool to pop in a heading, subheading, or a simple sentence. The key here is to actually select the text box you want to manage, because that's what gives you access to its timing controls. The moment your text box is selected, you'll notice a purple line or bar appears, usually on a timeline underneath or near your slide preview. This purple line is super important. It's a visual representation of when and for how long your text will actually show up during your presentation or video playback. Think of it like a train schedule for your text. It tells it when to arrive and when to leave. Now here, where you get total control. To adjust when your text appears or disappears, all you have to do is click and drag the edges of that purple line. Drag it to the right if you want the text to stay on screen longer, or move it left to shorten its appearance. You can even shift the whole bar forward or back to time it perfectly with music, narration, or other elements. Don't worry if this takes a few tries to get just right. Play around with it and preview your slide as you go to see how your changes feel in action. And that's all there is to it. You've now got the power to make your text appear and disappear exactly when you want, adding a polished, professional touch to your Canva presentations. Whether you're making a lesson, a promo video, or even just jazzing up a slideshow for fun, mastering text duration helps keep your viewers engaged. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Drop a comment if you have any questions or tips to share, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step Canva guides and creative tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.